Get ready to build an ocean adventure themed game in Kodable Creator's free Create. Watch, follow along, and pause the video as you need. First, I'll change the sprite for my background to an underwater theme. Next, I'll code a loop function to make it move left. Let's test it out. Now I'll head back to the background code, go under Properties, and change the song. I'm going to pick Beachy for this one. Next, I'll head to the Object Library. I'm going to select my main character, the Blowfish. Let's edit some properties to customize it further. I'm going to change the size and the color of my Blowfish. I'm going to go back to the Object Library, select on Controllers, and add a spawner. I'm going to select my spawner, click Create, and I'd like to have it spawn Starfish. I'm going to select the location under Properties and change it to Random All so that Starfish can appear anywhere. Now I'm going to select Text. This is where I'm going to add my score. I'm going to place mine at the center top of my game. I'm going to click on the code and edit the Set Text to Score. I'm also going to change some properties here to make it giant and maybe a bright purple color. Now I'm going to click on the code for my Blowfish. Right here I'm going to add a function that when it hits the starfish, it's actually going to increase the score by 1 each time. I'm also going to add a fun animation. When it hits the starfish, it's going to poof! That looks great. Let's test it out to make sure the code works properly. Nice job. Next, let's edit the code to the starfish. When it hits the Blowfish, let's make it destroy. That way it will actually disappear from the screen when it's hit. Awesome, this game is looking great so far. For my last step, I'm going to use the AI chat box to ask Catbot to add code for me. Now it's your turn to keep customizing and adding code. Happy coding!